Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can retouch your face and add makeup in videos on CapCut PC. Select your video and go to the Enhance tab right here. Select face. Here you can smooth out your face. You can erase smile lines. You can erase dark circles here as well. You can also brighten the face, whiten the teeth as well here. And I'm going to scroll down. You can also select facial beauty, which slims everything. You can just try it out yourself. I'm only going to be adding makeup, which is down here. So you're just going to select the makeup tab. Here you can add in a full face of makeup at once, and you can adjust the opacity here. Or you can add it like one by one. For instance, you just want to add in some eyelashes to it. You can do that. I'm just going to add this one. You can adjust the opacity here. You can add just like eyeshadow to the person here. I think I like this one. You can adjust it, and you can also add only the lipstick here as well. I'll add like this one, I guess. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.